Woke up this morning and something was different. I went to the bathroom. I looked in the mirror. I asked me some questions. Mainly one question. I asked me this question. I said, why am I a bird? Why am I a bird? Instead of going hello, I went tweet when I woke up real slow. I got bird feed instead of cereal in my breakfast bowl. Shit's different, shit's different. I live in a nest, I live in a nest. I don't have to make my bed cause I live in a nest. Shit's different. I can tweet and fly. Not tweet like on the phone. Tweet when I'm all alone with no phone. Cause I could do that from my beak. There's certain perks when you're a bird. You could fly. You could tweet with no Wi-Fi. You could fly. That's probably the best perk. I woke up this morning and I was not a person, I was a bird. Why am I a bird?